Nag-issue tayo kahapon, di ba, ng ILBO. Ano to, sa Marcoleta? So, on the request of Senator Marcoleta, Chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee, we issued ILBO's lookout bulletins on several personalities, employees and contractors, or with relation to contractors. So, it's a precautionary measure that we are doing so that they will be discouraged from traveling out of the country.
Sir, ano po ba, para lang po alam po ng public, kapag nagre-request po ba, kailangan po ba may complaint? Paano po ba yung proseso ng
Basta under investigation kasi ng tao, with a possibility of absconding, siyempre we try to hold them in the country. Ito yung limit na binigay sa amin ng batas at ng jurisprudence, kaya ito ang aming ginagawa ngayon. That's what we're doing.
Sir, nandito pa po ba sila lahat sa bansa?
Mayroong mga taong sabi nila ay wala rito, pero karamihan nandito pa.
Sir, kung word mo, paano po yung magiging process dito sa department?
Ano pa rin yan eh. To be able to file a complaint, you need an investigation. You need a fact-finding. You need evidence. Yun pa rin yun. Case build-up pa rin ang kinakailangan dyan. We cannot just file a case without preparation. We have to prepare for the cases that we will prosecute. And once we file the cases, we should be ready to prosecute. Ganun talaga yan.
Pero sir, meron ba tayong bubuin na task force or at least...
We're doing something now for the fact-finding. We're drafting something which I hope to share with the President very soon. Of course, Malacanang Legal is doing something already, pero kami lang, based on our experience, something that might help in the discharge of the duties of any commission tasked to find out the truth behind this controversy.
Sir, yung request ko ni Secretary Dizon na ILBO is settled.
Today, I'll be signing the next part of the ILBO. I actually signed it already. And it will be for release within the day. Pero ano yan, we will bring it out to the immigration counters first before we announce it. Kasi it's better that way.
Sir, yung pasensya na po, yung request ko kahapon at yung today, separate different names po ba sila?
Well, may mga similar names yan. Cross-match yung iba. Pero we're trying to pick out those that have not been issued orders. So we will just notify Secretary Dizon that some of them have been issued ILBOs already.
Sir, ano po yung gusto niyong sabihin dito sa mga nasa listahan po, yung mga nasa ILBO, regarding ito pong sitwasyon nila na sila po ay nasa listahan?
Well, the truth will always set them free, so to speak. Mauna silang magsabi, may pag-asa silang makalibre. I mean, with restitution, of course. Kung may damage sa gobyerno at meron silang kinita, solid nila yung pera, pero they will have to testify. Some people will have to testify. Yung mauna mag-testify, hindi hahabulin na batas. Sir,
pwede silang lumapit sa inyo dito?
Pwede. Whatever avenues they have, makilala sila sa mga prosecutors na pwedeng lapitan o within the DOJ family, welcome yan. We will hold everything in confidence.
Pero sir, ano yung, kumbaga, ito po kasi yung mga itinuturo na nung iba, ito po ay iniimbestigahan na hanggang saan sir yung pwede nyong ibigay sa kanila na, kumbaga, luwag or tulong dun sa...
Ano yan eh? We try to look at the least guilty if possible para maging state witness. Kasi ano yan, it makes the job much easier pag meron kang naging state witness dito. So, they can be discharged from criminal liability, but not the civil liability. The civil liability, restitution can still be ordered by the court. Alam ka naman, unjust enrichment gagawin natin. Yayaman sila, tapos wala pa silang demanda. Dapat dyan, at least dyan, isauli naman nila yung kanilang mga nakamal na yaman na hindi naman dapat. Kasi ang lugi rito, taong bayan eh. Ang lugi rito, masang Pilipino sa mga pangyayaring ito.
Sir, may update na ba dun sa possible na whistleblower sa inyo?
Malalaman ko yan very soon. Malalaman ko yan very soon. At inaabangan ko lang yung aking source na magsalita ulit. At tatawagan ko mamaya. I'll try to call him later. Yung source ko.
Sir, doon sa mga gusto pong magbigay ng testimony.
Anyway, yung aming nilalatag na executive order ay maglalagay rin niya ng mechanics para madaling mapuntahan at masamahan ang mga taong gusto magsalita. Ayun ang pinakamahalaga rito, yung mechanics para meron silang malapitan na pinagkakatiwalaan para malaman natin ang mga pangyayari. So, yun na, binubuo namin ngayon yung order na yun.
Posible sila, sir, sa Witness Protection Program?
Posible. Ba't hindi, di ba? Sabi ko nga, wag naman kayo mag-expect na yayaman pa rin kayo sa ginawa niyong yan. Dapat yung isauli nyo naman. That's just justice naman. May hustisya naman dapat sa lahat. May hustisya naman dapat sa lahat.
So, yung ILBO, sir, sabi niyo po kanina.
Yes, yes.
Sir, does it imply po na minumukha niyo po na huwag mo nang lumabas ng bansa yung
Sana, wag muna. Kasi pag sususpetsahan kayo na gusto nyo tumakas, di ba? Wag naman ganon. Kaya nga nalagyan natin si Lookout Bulletin. May mga katanungan sila sasagutin na mahaba. Pag sila'y sumikap na lumabas ng bansa. It will not be a pleasant experience. Kasi government concern yan. We have to do this as a matter of defense of the state. Kinakailangan protektahan natin ang ating Estado.
Secretary, yung ILBO is different from whole departure order.
Yes. A whole departure order is issued by the court. The ILBO, the precautionary order of ILBO is issued by the DOJ.
Paano po kung gusto daw mag-travel, babalik din?
Well, yun nga, may inconvenience na kasama yan. Hindi sila matutuwa dyan. Pagka sinubukan nila umalis, marami sila sasagutin ng tanong.
Sir, gusto ko lang po makuha yung take ninyo kasi sa press conference po ng ako ng Diskaya kahapon, ang sabi po nila, ang lahat ng kanilang mga na-acquire na property, mga luxury vehicles, iyon ay dokumentado at binili nila sa...
Well, that's a matter of defense. It's a matter of defense. Bayaan mo na sila. Let them be.
Sir, ano po magiging role ng NBI na bakit niyo po bubuo ng grupo?
Yes, we're activating a portion of the NBI for this investigation. Meron kaming magaling dyan na forensic analyst ng financial statements na kukunin para tulungan tayo dito. Taga NBI. Tsaka may anti-graft unit naman ng NBI na ating activate para dito. Composite team yan. Bubuuin natin.
Secretary, nakasentro po.
Tsaka kasama ang civil society. We will ask the sub-civil society participants to come in for the purpose of transparency. I think that's the best way to carry out a mission of this nature para kahit kapitbahay ng mga to, pwede magsumbong, pwede magbigay ng information sa atin.
Sir, netizens, pwede?
Pwede. Oh. Pero binubuo nga namin yung binubuo pa namin yung framework, pero malapit na yan. Will come out very soon.
Sir, another take niyo po, yung pong head pa ng Diskaya sa Pasig City, yung Central, may mga tao pong sumugod doon, pinagbabato po yung kanilang bahay. Any opinion on it?
Well, that's very unfortunate, and we're not encouraging people to do that. Law enforcement has to maintain the law and order in our country. Hindi pwedeng pamarisan yung kanyang gawain kasi it can trigger a kind of hysteria that we don't need in this country. Kailangan natin stable tayo.
And Secretary, nakasentro po ang investigasyon sa mga contractor. What about those having government official, mga elected official?
Dahil lahat yan, kasama yan. Alam mo yan, holistic yan eh. Siyempre, ano ba ang elements ng crime? Saan ba nanggaling yan? Ano ba money trail niyan? Sino ba nakinabang? Ano ba ang accomplishment? Lahat yan, forensic accounting lahat yan. It's going to take a lot of forensic accounting for this.
Nasa Dico po ay sinasabi na kaalis na ng Pilipinas. Do you have any information?
Wala pa akong information. Wala pa akong information. I don't have any information.
Okay, thank you po.
Sir, how about po dun sa mga nangyayari na ba yung mga Nepo babies? Open po ba ang DOJ for complaint coming from these Nepo babies, sir?
Coming from the Nepo babies?
Sir, from side.
Well, it's not within our scope. They can file charges with the fiscals if something criminal has been done to them. Mag-file sila ng cyber libel or whatever they want to file and bring it to the prosecutors' offices. Marami naman tayong prosecutors' office sa bawat city, meron eh. Bawat city, bawat probinsya, meron tayong prosecutors. More? Ha? That's enough.
May sasabihin ka pa, sir?
Ha?
May dadagdag ka pa?
Bukas talaga iba. Dito naman ako bukas eh.
Sige, sir, bukas ha.
Oh, meron pa ako bukas.
Takot kami bigla.
Swerte nyo nga hanggang Friday. Nag-report tayo. Diba? Ayan.